Okay, so right now I'm going to see how to create a new company. To do so, you first of all have to come and click here on new, and once this window opens in front of you, you have to fill in the information that will be given to you. So for this, as an example, we shall use the following information. Under short name, insert SIAGT. Under company's name, okay, under company's address, under PO box, and then you have to fill down this information. Shall all be given to you, so you don't need to worry. Okay, the taxpayer's number is the next information you have to fill. Okay, now right down here, there's a couple of information that you want to take into account. First of all, under type of third party, you want that it should be selected at multiple third parties, since we'll be using different third parties account. If it was not the case, you'll have taken single third party, the case where you'll be using one third party account, or no third party if you aren't planning to use any third party account. Okay, now down here you want your depreciation to be annually, just as it's already here. The end of period, you're going to say no. And then right down here you want your transfer depreciation. You transfer depreciation, you're going to check this. Okay, now under analytical mode, you want it to be no. Under your journal mode, right down here, you want it to be chronological. All this information are given in the table, and then taking into account depreciation, it's going to be full month. And I think finally you want to make sure that this short analytical box does not tick, so you just have to leave it the way it is. So this is, so you have filled the information according to what was been given to us. So once you've done that, you're going to click OK. Now you're going to create a company password for this particular company you've just created. So let's just insert this. So you can create any password. So as you can see, this password I've tried to use. Okay, once you've done, you click on finish, and that's how our company is created. You can see the name of our company short name is already appearing on this main screen. So see you in the next video, where we shall discover how to edit the company. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please drop us a like and subscribe to this channel. In this channel, we shall be publishing videos on Lesage software, so we shall cover up the basics of the software. So if you're interested to learn more, please subscribe so that you get notified. Also, remember to drop your questions in the comment below. We've also created a Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. If you have queries or difficulties, questions, you might try to reach our channel through the link below, where you meet with other students. Also, we shall be discussing about the software and how to solve particular exercises. From time to time, we shall also be solving GC questions. So subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss any of our content.